Hey everyone. So, just walking up to this unit here. Inside, we just turned the thermostat on to cool auto 60 degrees, as always. And the indoor fan did turn on. Got air movement, filters pulled up. But we got nothing out here. So, my choice of tools are going to be a meter and a drill. And first thing I want to see is whether we have power or not. Like how they chose to get the thermostat wire in there, so it's not the best way to do it. Oh wow, I can fix that before I leave. But I don't hear the contactor pulling in or anything. So let's see. Since the So what's going on is we got nothing coming down from the attic. So, looks like we're gonna have to go in the attic after all. Alright. Here's our system in the attic. Nice. Nice find. Is this the homeowners or an old technician? So, everybody notice one thing about Las Vegas. Tight fit everywhere you go. You got no extra room. You think you want a 5-foot plenum? You got no room in Vegas, because they jam it all up here and build the wood right around it. So, anyway, let's see why this thing isn't sending anything out. The low volt wire to the condenser. Well, that would make sense. So, everybody notice what we found here is, you'll notice our low volt here. You get your thermostat hooked up, and our white, or our load side of 24 leading out to the condenser, is broken off. So now it was not getting any voltage. So we're just going to strip it back and reattach it. And we might have saved the day here in record speed. All right, get on there. So that's back on. Everything else, at least it looks secure. Somebody put a board on here in the past. I can already hear the refrigerant flowing through this line, so I already know we're fixed. So it's just a broken wire today. But before we leave, we'll go out and make sure the thing's refrigerating properly. Yeah, so definitely low on charge. So let's make a phone call to the homeowner and let them know. Hi, this is Steven, Las Vegas Air Conditioning. Hello. So I'm here at your house, and you actually had two problems going on. First one was, like you said, inside turned on, the outside did not. So I had to crawl up in the attic, and I determined it was just a broken wire leading out to the outside condenser. That's why it wouldn't turn on. I can see that. I took a video too, so you got it. When I discovered it, it was on live video. So if you want, I'll send you the video.